In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Google Workspace account has been suspended, how to fix 2026. First, start by finding the exact reason for the suspension. Sign into the Google admin console at admin.google.com using an administrator account. Look for banners or alerts at the top of the dashboard and open the detailed message. Reading the precise wording matters because it points you to the right fix, whether it's billing, security, or something else. If the message mentions billing, that's the most common and usually the fastest to resolve. Open the billing section in the admin console, check for failed payments, an expired card, or any outstanding balance. Update your payment method if needed, then clear the remaining balance. After that, give Google a little time to process the payment. Reactivation can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Make sure the card you add is valid, has available funds, and won't expire soon to prevent future disruptions. If only one person in your organization is suspended, you can reactivate just that user. In the admin console, go to Directory, then Users, select the suspended user, and choose Reactivate. If the account gets suspended again, return to the suspension message and security signals to make sure nothing else needs attention. When the suspension is tied to spam or abuse, secure the environment right away. Change the affected account's password to a strong, unique one, and turn on two-step verification. Remove any suspicious browser extensions from devices that access the account, review Gmail forwarding and filters for anything unexpected, and run a malware scan on computers and mobile devices. For an organized walkthrough, use Google's security checkup at myaccount.google.com/security checkup to review recent activity, recovery options, and sign-ins. If the alert points to domain verification, complete verification to restore services. Open the Google Admin Setup Guide and follow the steps to verify your DNS records. Add the TXT verification record at your domain host, then wait for DNS to propagate. It often finishes in minutes, but it can take longer depending on your provider. Once verified, return to the admin console to confirm the status has updated. Finally, if you believe the suspension was a mistake, reach out through Google Workspace support and submit an appeal. Clearly explain what happened, note that you secured the account, and confirm any spam or unusual activity has stopped. Keep your explanation concise and factual so support can review it efficiently. That's it. Read the exact message, fix billing, reactivate users, secure the account, verify the domain, and appeal if needed. Stay patient. Watch the admin console for updates, and you should be back up and running soon.